High Top Doctor reveals the fat-burning fruit you should be taking right now. You won't believe these results. Shocking new revelation turns weight loss in. You have to see this. A recent shocking study done by a group of prominent scientists in Nevada revealed one exotic fruit that can obliterate even the deepest stored body fat in your body. Plus, multiple studies have shown that it suppresses intense food craving, lowers cholesterol and blood sugar, and flick a master switch that stops fat production. Try to guess what this exotic fruit is. A. Durian, B. Cherimoya, C. Garcinia, D. Starfruit, E. Mangosteen. Even if you're a health nut, I doubt what you think is right. The answer is counterintuitive. If you guess right, you could easily burn off stubborn body fat without doing any extra exercise, fad diets, or giving up your favorite foods. Guess wrong, you could spend the rest of your life all within a body saturated by disgusting, unhealthy body fat. Click the link below to see if you're right and put your knowledge to the test.